Hey guys, we received this Sleep Mantras mattress topper for test and try. So this is a king size gray color mattress topper, and this is a deep pocket. So the pocket will fit up to 20 inches of a mattress, and this is a ultra soft and the highly breathable material. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So this comes in this vacuum packed packing. So I have to open up this. So give some time to get this air, or to suck up the air. So this is the 20-inch long pocket. As you can see, this is a really big pocket that can have any mattress inside and the topper. So stitching and everything looks good, and this will take some time to take up the air and gain up its size. This is my mattress, totally flat without any pillow top. So I will show like how is the difference with this topper. So when I put this topper, it goes easily on my mattress. So my mattress is not like that thick, so this will take the time. So after 2 days, this is the shape and the size of the topper, and you can see the thickness here. So this fits really well, and this comes up with this side pocket thing, and maybe it will take some more time. I put up the sheet, and this is really comfortable and cozy and fits well on this king bed.